First of all, good evening. Very happy with the result, of course. In the press conference previous to the game, we discussed a few things, and I think that the training camp in Bali, we saw also that the way that we played was that also that we trained. So the things that we wanted to see came up as well in the game. Much respect for the China team. They made it a very difficult match. But I'm very proud of my team. Very proud of the performance that we showed. Although we didn't really dominate the game, the result is the most important thing. And if you can play with perfect style of play, that's convenient. But most of all, the most important thing is the result.
Yeah, of course, really happy to score again and help the team. That's the most important. The next target, yeah, is Japan. We want to win every game, and that's the next game. So I'm really excited, and yeah, we all can't wait for the game. We love to play football, so bring it on.
All right.